Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Todoist for work completed. So what you need to do is basically set up good basics for your project. So we have work project. Okay, here in Todoist, we have pretty cool feature templates. So if we hover over through my project, and here you will see this plus icon. If you click on it, you can browse for templates. This is pretty useful if you want to use it for work or any other thing. So you have marketing, sales, development, design product, and so on. Now, here, if we go under the work, we can select type of work. So let's go deep work. And you will see here that you get basically really organized tabs and features. So like you see, it's like headliner, and then you have here underneath 3 tasks. Then you have learn how to practice deep work. You have 1 of 6 and so on. So it's pretty organized that you don't mix any task with different task or where this task belongs. So now what we need to do is just copy to my project, wait a few moments, seconds, and we will have it right here in the left side menu. Now, as you can see, it's right over here. If we click on every different thing, so select your duration, for example, here, we can change it to something. We can also add date, deadline. You can add if you have pro version. You need to know that you also have free version for 7 days of pro, so you can add then location and deadline, as you can see. And yeah, I think this is the easiest way to organize your work in Todoist. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next